Hi friends, I am your Mahijit. Our channel name is Mahijit Making Future. This is my collection from institute and schools and from Abacus. Something courier come from my mama. He sent. His name is Shiva. Let's see. It was come from Flipkart. Let's open and see it. My mama is so lovable and before I ask anything, he will buy and give. He is so lovely. Let's open it and see what is inside. I think my mama did buy anything useful. This is our unboxing video. After checking and it, I will tell this is useful or I will put their review video. Let's open. Something is inside. This is MAK brand. A mic is there. See, this is a short block mic and live show mic and live interview mic, wireless continuity mic. This is not a single mic. My mama thinks single mic he can buy, but he buy for me two mics. MAK-09 is our brand. It was stick, not MAK-8. Let's open it. I am so happy to open this. Here some paper is there. This is our MAK-09 and they given introduction about this mic. This is our receiver and how to connect special instructions. This is so surprise for me. My mama did buy. And this is our instructions. Let's see what is inside. I'm so happy to open. Wow, there are two mics. Anything is inside? No. Let's see. Wow, here two mic. This is microphone. I like this. See friends, this is our mic. It's so soft. And this is our charging point. This is MAK. This clip is we can put in t-shirt like this. And this is our on-ing button. It's here backside. Like this, two mics are there. Same as here. We will do. My mama told our video is not clear speaking. For that only my mama did buy this one. This is the receiver of this mic. This is our charger. This is a USB cable charger and this is our connector for this one. This is type C charger. We can put this one inside in receiver and charge it. And anything here they put setup. And this one is we can put anyone. This is type C. And now I'm going to put this is for iPhone that putting inside charger and like this I can put and inside and from here the signal will go to this mic. And this is my USB adapter. This one I can put in my laptop, PC, computer and nothing is inside, that's it. And this is my mama did buy for me. It's so thank you for buying this mama. I like this. I will use this and I will put review video of this brand, how it's working I will tell, then you can also buy this one. If you like the channel, please like it and you will share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.